Hello friends, I am Digital Marketing Software. Today I will show you how to spam comment to groups according to the group files that you want mining in there. Well, first of all, you guys log in to MKT. Must be in the software. If you choose to scan that group, here you can scan the group by keyword or by geographic location. Here you choose Scan group by keyword. Then you guys add the keyword you want to scan the groups it according to this keyword. Next to you set up the number of groups you want to scan. The software will support unlimited scanning. You might as well let 1,000 of those groups. Here I will scan the demo for you 100 groups. Then you click Start. The software will start. Open your Facebook accounts. So the software has scanned it groups by keyword for you. Then you can export the Excel file. You pay attention column UID group. Then, you can copy this column. Then you will go to the MKT Care software. That MKT Care will support you is spam ads. Like this post comment. Send a group member message into the groups that you're heading to. Next you choose Give yourself the feature group is comment. Give me the list you just copied into this part. Next to you, choose for yourself the content that you have already added. I have already added some content here. You can be more. In this content management, you can see I have a lot more content. And you can set up content with photos. For example, this content. You can choose the image files. It's on your computer. Next you will set up yourself some basic configurations. As the first is the number of concurrent streams. Here I put 6. That means 6 accounts running simultaneously. The number of comments you want to comment on. A group assembly. And finally you choose your own Facebook accounts. If you click Start, the software will start running. The mechanism of the software runs. When you run comment spam in the group, the software will run in the background And rest assured that when you're done spamming, the software will pay you for the links, direct posts that you spammed. Comment on those articles. As you can see, the software paid me 2 links, corresponding to the number of comments the account has successfully commented. Here I will try to check a link. Look at my comment. Comment successfully or not. That's it. You see, I think my comment was successful, and likewise the following accounts. Comments will be similar, and there are some groups that are private groups. You are required to give accounts. I joined the group first, then those accounts. I can only comment on those groups.